Are you ready for the financial scoop of the day? Hit that like button if you're ready for news. The markets are trembling as they wait for the big show US data and the FOMC decision. It's like a suspense thriller for your money. The dollar's defending its turf against global turmoil. Meanwhile, other currencies and commodities are taking a little catnap, except for the Japanese yen, euro, and pound. They're just not feeling it after a gloomy day. But hey, cheer up. It's not all doom and gloom. Crude oil is bouncing back from the ropes with a comeback worthy of Rocky Balboa. And gold? Well, it's in a tough spot, like it's stuck in quicksand. The stock market, Wall Street is playing it cool, but the Asia-Pacific crew is dipping their toes in the red waters. Now, for all you crypto lovers, we've got something special. BTC and ETH are taking a breather, catching their breath like a rock star mid-concert. Well, this financial roller coaster ride is just getting started. Like, share, and tap that follow button for more updates.